Alright, now we are going to calibrate this using the touch screen. And there we go. Now, turn shaft by hand only. Alright, so here it is coded to the IO27 and IO22 connector on my ESP32 here. So what we are going to do is take my encoder motor wires and we are going to connect it to the ESP32. So here's my ESP32 and this is my encoder motor. What I'm going to do now is take the C1 connector and the C2 connector, and I am going to see if I can get that to energize here. Alright, so 22 is blue, 27 is yellow. C2, that is yellow. C1 is green. And now we should be able to start counting turns. Oh, hang on one second. I probably need to energize the VCC with the 3 volts, I'm assuming. So that would be the black wire. And then we have, oh, the ground wire. Silly. Alright, so we need to connect the ground wire to the ground wire going to the ESP32. Okay, now should be getting energized so we can get a turn count here. And there we go! Fortunately, the count is way too high unless, oh, it's because I'm reversing it. Okay, so with that one turn, holy cow, 1,000 turns. Holy cow, this is actually quite insane. But we are officially getting turn count. Look at that. All right, then we zero the count and we're back to 0. Holy shit. So, I bring this over here. Move my Tesla coil out of the way. See, we're energizing it with the 3 volts. We take our M1, M2 connector here. That's the separate power source. And we should be able to just crank this on a little bit and start seeing a turn count. Okay, now that's what I'm talking about. The turn count is a little ridiculous. I need to get that calibrated next. But we are on a starting point. Alright guys, so I had a calibration test installed onto this OS so it would calibrate with the encoder motor. So I turned the motor 5 times clockwise, 5 times counterclockwise, so that way I can officially control the motor both clockwise and counterclockwise. And to prove that the calibration test worked, I should be able to turn it 1 full RPM and get 1 revolution out of it instead of seeing 1,000 revolutions. Let me turn it 1 time here. Yep, and there it is. So 1 revolution, perfectly calibrated and calculated into this ESP32. For the next video, I will show you guys how I am going to connect the DR88 motor driver circuit to the encoder, and then I'm going to show you guys how we can drive an actuator arm with it. Be sure to like this video and comment below if you are ready to see the upcoming updates. Peace.